Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the passenger to the Pelipecky application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And after that, tap on passengers at the top, which is the first option. Tap on add passenger, then type in the first name of the passenger, then its family name. Select gender, date of birth, nationality, but it's optional. Then you can add the passport number, but it's not obligatory. Then the passport expiry date and passport issuing country. Then click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen to save the passenger information, which will appear at this page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.